Hello guys, welcome to my another video, and in this video I am gonna tell you how to install this type of mobile holder into your bike Bajaj Pulsar RS200. So let's get started without wasting our time. So guys, you must have this type of pipes. One is bigger and one is smaller like this, and you can easily get this type of pipes from hardware shops. So guys, you have to cut the bigger pipe like this. आप लोग देख सकते हैं, और छेदों को इस तरफ से उस तरफ एकदम सीधा होना चाहिए, जैसे कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं। और स्मॉलर पाइप को आप लोग ऐसे कर सकते हैं, और छेदों को आप लोग नोटिस करिएगा, एकदम सीधा होना चाहिए। तो नाउ आप लोग ब्लैक टेप को लीजिएगा एंड तो आप लोग देख सकते हैं दिस इज रेडी टू फिट। तो नाउ गाइज यू हैव टू टेक screws and this, and follow me what I am going to do now. Just press this and rotate the screw. You have to put this into the hole and wait. Rotate the screw, rotate and rotate and rotate. Oh, this range, rotate it, yeah, little bit hard, and you have to rotate this with the help of range. Guys, can you see other end of the screw is coming out from it? Rotate. Now you have to put this here and fix it. Now you have something like this, and it can move like this. So this is my bike, bro. तो चलिए इसको, now you can see this hole inside the handlebar, and we have to take this and set this here and give a long press like this, and it comes out and you have to screw this here. And take the screw and fix it on the opposite side and tight it and fix this strongly, and it can move. Okay, so fix this strongly, and now, so guys, now you have to fix this like this over there, and let me fix it first, then I will show you. Now guys, you just tight this like this and fix this very tightly.